Hi, welcome to the little demo of the UI Privacy Toolkit. What this app is about, it covers two areas when you submit apps to the App Store, Apple in particular, but bear in mind the issues remain whether you're submitting them to Google or Amazon as well. They're just a little bit looser, but you can still get caught out on them. First one is I got knocked back recently from Apple as I'm collecting anonymous Google statistics, analytics, and they knocked back one of my apps and said I needed to implement an opt-in panel the very first time the user enters the application. So that's what this particular screen does here. It just pops up, we have a very simple game scene here. Just pops up an opt-in panel based on a player prefs. Select yes or no, it'll set the player prefs, and then I'll go through to the game panel or the game scene, which is just up here for example. And then the second scenario is, and you can change those settings later, I'll show you. The second scenario is if you're developing kids apps and you need to conform to COPPA, the Child Online Protection Act, and also Apple review guidelines for kids apps, you need to implement a parental gate if the user wants to link out to the web or to commerce, engaging commerce. The kids just can't go through. So there's a couple of different ways of doing this. I've implemented two different ones. And they'll show up here. We click settings, and this is the parental lock test panel. There's two different versions, different algorithms I've done here. You can choose whichever one you like. One is a maths question. You have to solve this particular question to get it right. And the other one is a sort test where you have to click the buttons in descending order from highest to lowest. A couple of particular things. If you just click on here, it'll set you exit back out. If you get the answer wrong, it'll tell you and go back out to the game. Same with this one if you start the wrong order. If we want to do it right, 7 minus 6 is 1. Bingo, correct. And we go through the settings panel finally, which is where we can change the usage stats again from yes to no. There's a little test button here if you want to delete the player prefs to retest your app again that the opt-in panel is working. Continue will take us back to the game scene. Trying the sort test, you can generate a new question if you want to test different ones. This could be in the app if the question's too hard for the parent maybe. There's also some options in the scripts for making these harder, scaling them up and down. The sorting test, as you saw, if you select the wrong number first off, it'll immediately exit out. So you won't get the order right. Have a quick look, 73, 55, 51, 31, 11, 0. Correct. Bang, we go back out. And same again, you can generate a new sort sequence here. Hit the wrong one, it'll go back out as well. That's basically it. You can it's set up very simply. It's not using any fancy model view controller structure because you might be using one of those in your game. You can get one of those on the App Store, the Unity Asset Store. It's also not using any real fancy panel management. This is just an example scene that demonstrates how to use them. I do recommend the panel manager one on the Asset Store. That's very good if you've got an app you want to use that. Any questions or additions, feel free to email me. Thank you.